At Tocabe, we take the time to select only the best ingredients for your meal. To us, ingredients don't just make the food, they tell the story behind it. Our pancakes with maple syrup and berry compote are a simple, fun, and delicious family recipe. Serve stacked pancakes with honey, maple syrup, fresh berries, or nuts and seeds of your choosing. To order ingredients for this recipe and learn more about our great native and indigenous producers, as well as vendors on a local level who share our values, visit shoptocabe.com.